Blessed everybody on an item of news, you know. You know that me I say we go everywhere in terms of we go entertainment, we go current affairs, we go news, we go topical issues. Right now, the hot topic coronavirus quarantine. Any suspected case of coronavirus or people travel from China and them have to go quarantine them. Them eye could have read, them could have cough, or them could have look like nothing to them. Them want to carry them go to St. Joseph Hospital. And the people say, none of that. Listen what them have to say. That me I say. You know, news that me I say. A report from St. Joseph Hospital. Activities kind of limited because it is said that patients who are quarantined with suspected cases of coronavirus over yesterday them want to drop them. People in the community, other man say them not really want them over yesterday, you know. None at all. Yes, them come out in them numbers last night, you know, today Monday. See if this kid a catch it time. 12 o'clock in the day, Monday. 1 and 2 people are going to the hospital still, but if you look on the parking lot kind of thin out. Yeah, so the people them kind of stay away and they want to hear what the 100 are go on. They're on location just to see what go on. Not see much nurse or walk or doctor are going. Clinic over there, so Dr. Chang clinic, no Dr. Chang office still open. People still are going out, but it's kind of low key. If you look on the parking lot, usually book food for the poor building, right there, so that building there, food for the poor, lockdown. Them say over the weekend, usually them have clinic, but it now go on today. Don't know, a brother over there now with me say people them come out last night. What them did what go on last night, my G?
Yeah, last night them come out and protest, but them know say none of that in the community. You see me? And them can't just bring that to the people them just so. You see me? That can't work. None of that. You see me? No against that. You see? No time.
So, how people hear about it?
You know say probably last night, you know, I think one minister forward in the place I met them know say yo, them want to bring it right at St. Joseph, so I tell them say
I don't read the massacre him name, you know, but the man fever massacre still, so sorry my G, but I don't remember the name when you give me G, but big up yourself.
But them think and way, but to me do it look like them done accept it already. No Joe. Yeah, them accept it already because as I say, no activity now go on over St. Joseph. Normally it's not St. Joseph, innit? So to me look like say them accept it as style. Yeah.
Yes, sir. The news affect business in the area, or people walk.
Yes, man. Yes, indeed, man. For example, the car wash. Car wash slow. Normally, car wash should have up and running. You see, normally people are out on the road and thing. None of that now go on. People scared. People come like them not even want to walk past. Like, no, you look on the stretch. From this corner, nothing now go on the street. People that stay away from Vineyard town, Vineyard road, because them don't want to get infected by the virus, innit? So, oh no.
Camp over there, right? Camp and hold it for space. What blessing of the kind of people there? Build a hospital over camp and go them to go out of Vineyard town. Yeah, no. Camp and hold it for space. Build a hospital.
No, Joe. You see, we attack, but them sitting there, everybody does that. I rebel, nothing like that. Can't hurt, true. You see me, but that's why I go still, the system. Yeah, man.
I got mercy.